Have you ever wished you could wake up one morning, look in the mirror, and see your eyes sparkle with clarity again? Just like they used to? Imagine reading your favorite newspaper without reaching for your glasses, or recognizing a loved one's face from across the room without that familiar blur. It sounds almost too good to be true, right? But what if I told you that there's a simple, natural way to begin restoring that sharpness? And all it takes is just 1 spoon a day. A spoon of something powerful, backed by nature, trusted by traditional healers, and now rediscovered by modern science. Stay with me until the end because what I'm about to share could truly change the way you see the world, literally. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and share it with someone you care about. It only takes a second, but it helps us reach more seniors who want to keep their eyesight strong and healthy naturally. Now let's talk about what this 1 spoon really means. Around the world, there are cultures that have used special fruits and powders to maintain vision well into old age. One of the most remarkable among them is a blend that comes from 2 rare berries, the indigo berry and the crimson berry. These names may sound poetic, but their effects are very real. Both are rich in anthocyanins, the same deep-colored pigments found in blueberries and blackcurrants, which have been proven in multiple studies to protect the retina and strengthen tiny blood vessels in the eyes. In fact, according to a study published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry, anthocyanins can significantly reduce oxidative stress inside the retina, one of the leading causes of age-related vision decline. That's why when people who regularly consume these deep-colored fruits reach their 70s or 80s, they often maintain better night vision and less eye fatigue than those who don't. Indigo berry, in particular, has been praised in several traditional wellness books from Southeast Asia for its ability to sharpen focus and reduce eye strain caused by long hours of reading or screen time. Crimson berry, on the other hand, has been described in ancient Mediterranean texts as the healer of fading sight because it helps the eyes maintain elasticity in their blood vessels, keeping nutrients flowing to the retina. Now, imagine what happens when you combine the essence of both, indigo and crimson, into one simple powdered form. Just 1 spoon mixed into water, milk, or a smoothie each morning can deliver a powerful dose of natural antioxidants, lutein, zeaxanthin, and vitamin C, nutrients your eyes crave daily. These compounds not only help filter harmful blue light from screens and sunlight, but also rebuild the protective pigment layer in your retina that tends to thin out with age. Let me explain it in simpler terms. Think of your eyes as a window with a delicate film that protects the glass. Over time, sunlight, dust, and age begin to wear that film away, making the glass look hazy. The nutrients in indigo and crimson berries act like a gentle polish. They don't just clean the window. They restore the film so light enters clearly again. That's why many seniors who start taking these natural eye-supporting foods often report something interesting. Colors look brighter. Night driving becomes easier, and that dull, tired feeling in the eyes fades away. But what makes this 1 spoon a day idea so special is consistency. In real life, I've seen older adults who took vision supplements sporadically or skipped days, and the difference was night and day. When your eyes get these nutrients every single day, your cells start repairing themselves gradually, just like watering a plant every morning instead of dumping a bucket of water once a week. The body responds to gentle consistency more than intensity. Now, here's something fascinating from a well-known ophthalmologist, Dr. Michael Greger, who often talks about diet-based healing in his lectures. He explained that the eye's macula, the part responsible for sharp central vision, has a high concentration of carotenoids like lutein and zeaxanthin. These carotenoids act as a natural sunscreen inside your eyes. And the beautiful thing is, both indigo berry and crimson berry powders are loaded with these compounds, which means that daily intake can actually fortify your macula against glare, UV rays, and oxidative damage. Let's bring this into a real-life example. I once heard about a retired school teacher in Florida named Margaret who had been struggling with blurry vision and dryness. She started adding just 1 spoon of this mixed berry powder to her morning oatmeal. Nothing fancy, just a small habit. Within 6 weeks, she noticed she could read her crossword puzzles without adjusting her glasses as often. Her eye doctor even commented that her tear film was more stable. That's the quiet power of consistent nutrition, slow, steady, and deeply healing. If you think about it, our eyes work harder than almost any other organ. Every second they adjust to light, distance, color, and movement. Over time, this creates microstress. The antioxidants in these berries act like tiny shields, catching the free radicals before they can damage delicate eye tissue. One spoon may sound small, but inside your body, it's like sending a team of microscopic repair workers to fix and protect your vision. Cells every single day. Another benefit, many seniors overlook, is how these berries improve blood circulation to the optic nerve. The optic nerve is like the information cable between your eyes and your brain. If that cable is clogged or weak, even the clearest lens won't help you see better. Studies from nutritional neuroscience have shown that diets rich in anthocyanins and polyphenols help keep blood vessels flexible and improve oxygen delivery to the eyes and brain. That's why after a few weeks of eating indigo or crimson berry powder, many people describe feeling not only sharper vision but also better focus and memory, because your brain and eyes share the same circulation system. And here's something few people realize. Eye dryness and sensitivity to light often come from poor hydration inside the eye tissue, not just from environmental dryness. The natural polysaccharides in crimson berries help retain moisture in the cornea and keep tears stable. That's why you might notice your eyes feeling less gritty and more comfortable after a few weeks. If you're wondering how to start, it's beautifully simple. Take 1 level teaspoon of pure, unsweetened indigo or crimson berry powder in the morning. Mix it into a glass of warm water, yogurt, or your breakfast smoothie. Some people even sprinkle it on their cereal. What matters is not the recipe, but the regularity. Avoid mixing it with very hot liquids, as that can destroy some of the heat-sensitive vitamins. The key idea here is not to expect magic overnight. Natural healing is quiet, gradual, and deeply reliable. You may not notice a sudden burst of perfect vision tomorrow, but in a few weeks, you might catch yourself reading smaller print without squinting or driving at dusk without that usual glare. Those are signs that your eyes are thanking you. Now, while these berries are remarkable, they work best alongside a few simple habits. Try to give your eyes a short break every hour. Look away from your screen, blink slowly, or close your eyes for 20 seconds. Pair that with gentle eye exercises like rolling your eyes in circles or focusing on a distant object, and you'll multiply the benefits of your daily spoon. And don't forget hydration. Water keeps the eye lens flexible. Even mild dehydration can cause blurry vision or fatigue. Pair your 1 spoon of berry powder with a full glass of water, and you're supporting your eyes from the inside out. Before we move forward, let's take a second reminder. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe to our channel and leave a comment below. Tell us if you've ever tried any natural remedy for vision before. Your stories not only inspire others, but help build a community of seniors who believe in natural healing. Now back to the science and beauty behind this simple daily ritual. When you nourish your eyes with these natural pigments, you're also improving how your body handles light and glare. Have you noticed how headlights at night seem brighter or more blinding with age? That's because the protective pigments in your retina thin out over time. Lutein and zeaxanthin from indigo and crimson berries replenish those pigments, essentially acting like sunglasses built into your eyes. That's why many seniors who start this daily spoon habit notice they can drive more comfortably at night and feel less eye strain from sunlight during the day. Another thing worth mentioning is how this natural remedy helps balance your blood sugar, which is vital for seniors, especially those managing diabetes or prediabetes. High blood sugar levels can damage the blood vessels in the retina, leading to blurred or distorted vision. The anthocyanins in these berries improve insulin sensitivity and help protect those vessels. So, you're not just feeding your eyes, you're supporting your whole body. And here's an interesting detail that scientists at the University of Reading discovered. Regular consumption of anthocyanin-rich foods improved night vision adaptation by up to 25% in older adults. That means people could adjust faster to darkness after being in bright light. A small change, but one that can make a big difference in daily life, especially when moving from a bright room to a dim one or driving at night. You see, nature has already designed the perfect medicine for our eyes. It's just up to us to use it consistently. Every spoonful is like giving your eyes a daily dose of protection, clarity, and comfort. But here's something even more inspiring that many people overlook: the way your mindset and small daily rituals interact with your body's healing process. When you start your morning with intention, even something as simple as stirring that 1 spoon of berry powder becomes a signal to your body that you're choosing health today. It's not just about what you eat, it's about how you feel while you nourish yourself. Seniors who approach their meals with calmness, gratitude, and consistency often see faster results because the body's nervous system supports healing best in a relaxed state. So, take a deep breath each morning before you sip your berry blend. It's a small act of mindfulness that amplifies the effect of the nutrients inside. And don't underestimate the power of pairing this routine with gentle physical activity. A 15-minute morning walk in natural light helps your body produce more dopamine, which sharpens both mood and visual focus. Sunlight exposure also helps regulate melatonin and keeps your eye's internal clock, called the retinal circadian rhythm, functioning smoothly. This means better sleep at night and more refreshed eyes during the day. Think of it as giving your eyes a natural tune-up every morning, inside and out. Another helpful habit is adding omega-3 rich foods, like flax seeds or walnuts, to your breakfast alongside your berry spoon. Studies in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition show that omega-3 fatty acids help maintain a healthy tear film and reduce inflammation in the tiny blood vessels of the eyes. When combined with the antioxidants from indigo and crimson berries, it creates a powerful synergy. The omega-3s nourish the structure, while the berries protect the surface and retina. Together, they form a natural defense system for your vision. And here's a simple trick that seniors find surprisingly effective. After enjoying your berry drink or meal, spend just 1 minute doing the palming technique. Rub your hands together gently until they feel warm. Then close your eyes and rest your palms lightly over them without pressure. The warmth and darkness relax your optic nerve and eye muscles, reducing strain and improving blood flow. This tiny, soothing ritual, when done daily, can make your vision feel more comfortable and focused throughout the day. Over time, you'll start noticing small but meaningful changes. Reading becomes easier. Your eyes feel less dry in the evenings, and those fine details in nature or art begin to reappear. It's the body's quiet way of saying thank you. Because when you feed your eyes what they truly need, they reward you with the most precious gift of all: clear, confident sight at any age. Thank you so much for watching. If you found value in this video, please remember to subscribe, like, and share it with someone you care about. You never know whose life and vision you might help improve today. Stay consistent, stay hopeful, and let your eyes rediscover their natural brilliance, 1 spoon at a time.